Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are tackling a popular Leetcode problem, which is duplicate email. If you are preparing for SQL interviews or reshaping your database skill, this problem is an excellent way to practice grouping and filtering data. So let's dive in. So if you see in here, we have a one table which is person and it has two column ID and email. ID is the primary key for this table, and each row of this table contains an email. These emails will not contain uppercase letter. So we have to write a solution to report all the duplicate emails, and note that it's guaranteed that the email in the field is not null. So basically in this problem we have a table called person and it has two columns, ID and the email. ID is a primary key, which means every value in it is unique. The goal here is to find all the email address that appears more than once in the table. So let's break it down. So in here they gave one example which is a person table. If you see ID 1 and ID 3 both are duplicate for each other, and there is the output. So as usual we can solve this problem by where condition, and also we can solve it by having clause. In these videos we will try to solve it by having clause. So as usual we are starting with from person table. We are taking the data and group by email. This groups the row based on the email column, so that all the rows with the same email are treated as a single group. Let's writing having clause, and we are using count for email. After writing grouping, this will check each group to see if the count of the rows in that group is greater than 1. If it is, it means the group email is repeated, and we include it in the result. And now we will select our email column. So our query is done. Let's run this query. So if you see, our case is accepted, and here is the duplicate email and the expected email. So our duplicate emails problem is solved. Thank you everyone.